Hello dear students, welcome back to biology class. In this video, let us continue with the 8th chapter, that is cell, the unit of life. In this video, let us discuss about cytoskeleton, centrosome and centrioles. Cytoskeleton. Cyto refers to cell, skeleton means a structure which gives mechanical support. So we can call it as the cell's skeleton. The cytoskeleton, it is a network of proteinaceous filaments and tubules present in the cytoplasm, is collectively known as cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton, it is made up of three types of proteinaceous structures. The first one is microfilament. The microfilaments, they are made up of actin proteins. The large number of actin proteins, they are held together or connected together and forms microfilament. Such large number of microfilaments are present. Then second one is microtubules. These are made up of tubulin dimer. Large number of tubulin dimers are linked together and forms microtubules. Then third one is intermediate filaments. This is intermediate filament. It is made up of protofilament. It is made up of protofilament. What is the function of cytoskeleton? The functions of cytoskeleton are: it gives mechanical support to the cytoplasm, it helps in the motility and helps in the maintenance of shape of the cell. So these are the functions of cytoskeleton. Here the question can be asked like this: what is cytoskeleton? Mention its functions. How will you write the answer? An elaborate network of proteinaceous filaments and tubules present in the cytoplasm, collectively referred as the cytoskeleton, and the functions are the mechanical support of to the cell, cytoplasm. Second one is motility, and they helps in maintenance of the shape of the cell. So like this you need to write the answer. Now let us discuss about centrosome and centrioles. The centrosome and centrioles, it is present in the animal cell and they are absent in plant cells. Look at this. This is the animal cell nucleus. Near the nucleus there is a structure called centrosome, which consists of centrioles. So usually the centrosome is an organelle. It usually consists of two centrioles. You can see here, this is one centriole and this is another centriole. And these two centrioles, they are surrounded by amorphous pericentriolar material. So this matrix and centrioles together forms a centrosome. Both the centrioles in the centrosome, they are lying perpendicular to one another. If you look at this, this is the one centriole and this is the another centriole. The angle which is formed between these two is 90 degree. That is, they are lying perpendicular to one another. And these are made up of 9 evenly spaced peripheral fibrils of the tubules, and in a cross section it appears like a cartwheel. It appears like cartwheel. You look at this, in cross section the centriole appears like this, that is cartwheel, and it is made up of 9 evenly spaced fibrils of tubulin. Look at this. This is a first one. This is one tubulin, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth. So each tubulin, it is made up of three types of microtubules. That is microtubule A, B and C. And these three types of microtubules, they are interconnected, they are held together. And such 9 evenly spaced fibrils of tubulin they are attached to a structure called central hub. So here it is a central hub, and this central hub is linked to the peripheral fibrils of tubule by a structure called spokes. So these are spokes. There are 9 spokes are there, and the adjacent microtubules, they are connected together by a linker called A to C linker. Why it is known as, what is this A to C linker? You look at this. This is A microtubule and this is C microtubule. In the previous one, this is A microtubule and this is C microtubule. So here the A and C microtubules, they are connected, they are held together, they are interconnected by a linker, hence it is known as AC linker, A to C linker. So these peripheral fibrils of tubulin, it is known as triplet. It is known as triplet. Then what are the functions of centrioles? The functions of the centrioles are, it forms the basal body of the cilia and flagella, the spindle fibers that give rise to spindle apparatus during cell division. So this is about the structure of centrioles. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.